This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. The primary purpose of a database is to collect and organize data. Nowadays, most databases are computerized, but even some list that is written on paper could be considered as a database. It is an extremely useful tool for storing large amounts of data, but it also requires a lot of costs, as well as time for development and maintenance. The database is an integral part of business and enterprise operations, whether it be a bank, airline, or even college. It helps to provide security by keeping all data in one place, and it also helps to deal with redundant information you don't want to go through. Essentially, the usage of databases can save you time and various costs, as all the information there is organized and protected. Purpose of college database. Users of database systems consist of individuals and organizational entities. Colleges are also using such systems for various purposes. It can help them to keep track of students, courses, and their instructors, grades, and other various activities. Financial and personal information for enrolled students is also stored in the college's database. It may even contain information about students enrolled in previous years. All this data is necessary for the college to function properly. Entities of college database. College databases include several entities, such as students, instructors, courses, departments, sections, and schedules. Each of these entities has various attributes. Students' attributes are student's name, student's number, social security number, current address and phone, permanent address and phone, birth date, sex, class, major or minor department, and degree program. Instructors' attributes include instructor's ID, college ID, instructor's name, rank, instructor or professor, type, full-time or adjunct, and department ID. Department attributes are department ID, department name, department chair's instructor ID, contact phone, and email. As for courses, their attributes consist of course name, description, course ID, number of semester hours, and department ID. Each section has its ID, name, course, semester and year number, schedule, and instructor ID. Schedules usually have their ID, name, day, start time, and end time. Business rules. Business rules are very important to the database design. Their purpose is to specify relationships between database entities, thus creating a correct data model. They help to classify entities, attributes, relationships, and constraints in a proper way. In the college's case, the following examples of business rules can be made. A student enrolls in a course, every professor must teach a course, every course must be taught by some professor, and each graduate student has a student advisor. Another example would be that professors can teach the same course in several semesters. Such business rules may influence the possible structure of databases. For instance, any student can be enrolled in multiple courses, and any course can have multiple students. Because of this complex relationship, a new entity called section is required to be introduced. Conceptual and physical database. The conceptual data model of college would include all the important entities, students, professors, courses, enrollment, departments, sections, etc., and relationships between them. Student enrolls in a course, the course is taught by a professor. It does not specify any attributes, as conceptual data is the one we start with so that we understand the entities and relations between them better. A physical database shows the way the model is built in the database. As it shows all table structures, certain conversions must be made in order to build a physical database. All entities, relationships, and attributes must be converted to tables, foreign keys, and columns, respectively. Such a database also contains primary keys and column data types. Conclusion. The database is a very useful tool that improves college's functionality by a lot. It contains all the data necessary to analyze the effectiveness of studying. Also, it helps the college to keep track of students' activities and interests and, thus, shows what is better for them and what needs to be improved. Did you like this college's database purpose and entities sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs, without even having to register.